Good morning, everybody. I just got back from PT. Now we are going to make some whole wheat blueberry pancakes. It's an easy recipe, but I'm not going to put the blueberries in, but I'm going to give you the recipe, so look down below and it will be listed. So we're going to do 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of honey, 2 eggs, 2 cups of milk plus 2 tablespoons of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 3/4 cups of blueberries if you want to use blueberries. But I've got them, but I just don't feel like eating blueberries today. And Mr. R is home because he's on vacation, and he said it didn't matter to him. So this is a new recipe. We're trying to eat healthy because Mr. R is a type 2 diabetic. So you'll be seeing more healthy meals from me and desserts. So again, this is called whole wheat blueberry pancakes. It's an easy pancake recipe. So let's get started. You want to mix all the dry ingredients together. So I'm going to pan you down. So we'll see you, okay? I hope you enjoy this recipe. Let me bring you down. Okay, I think I can see, and you can see everything. So we're going to put 2 cups of whole wheat flour in. And I like to use King Arthur flour. So that's going right in. Then we're going to put the 4 teaspoons of baking powder right there, and a half a teaspoon of salt, and I use pink Himalayan salt, and 2 teaspoons of cinnamon right there. And let's see here, now we're going into the wet ingredients. We got the eggs, the milk, the vanilla. I'm going to just give this a little stir here. I hope everybody's doing well this morning. There. I like to incorporate everything before we really get into doing it. Just like that. Let me grab the eggs over here. I like to put my eggs in a separate container because you never know what's going to pop up. Okay, so now we're going to add the wet ingredients, but you don't want to overmix. You just want to incorporate it all in. Okay, so we'll start putting the eggs in. I'll just do one at a time, just like this. I'll put the vanilla in, and I love Mexican vanilla. Smells so good. I hope I can always be able to get Mexican vanilla. And we'll put the other egg in. Oops, sorry. Just like that. And we're just going to mix it. Like they said, you don't want to overmix this recipe. And we're going to put the honey in. Honey, honey, honey. I like honey. We're just going to put it right in just like that. This here is local honey from Maine. I bought it from a farmer. There. Just like that. Now we're going to start putting the milk in. I'm going to put it in slowly. Just like that. Well, it's mixing up really well. Just like that. We're going to put a little bit more milk in. This looks like it's going to make a great pancake mix. And I hope Mr. R is going to like this. Hopefully I can pin him down to try it. He's out watering right now. Gotta keep that garden going. It was 55 degrees this morning. So actually you need a bowl and a mixer or a whisk or something. That's all you need, and a pan, and you want to spray your pan or put butter in the pan when you put the pancakes in. There you go, just like that. We're not gonna overmix it. Try not to anyways. There. Well, that looks really good. It's all incorporated, and I'm not going to mix it anymore. And that's what it looks like. Doesn't that look good? So I'm going to the frying pan now, and we're going to put one in. Okay, see how it's nice and brown and bubbly around the edges? We're going to flip it. Hopefully I can flip it okay. We shall see. There we go, just like that. Oh wow, doesn't that look nice? This is going to be a great recipe. Mr. R, are you in the house? Not getting any answer. Mr. R! Maybe he's not in the house. Well, that's an awful big pancake for me. Wow. Look at that. That's going to be great. So I'm going to plate this up and find Mr. R, and I'll bring you back and he'll give you a taste test. But look at that. Isn't that wonderful? It's really good. So I'll bring you back. Okay, folks, guess who I found? Mr. R. Okay, he's got the pancake right here. Look at that.
Looks good.
Okay, Ray, and wait a minute. Look, this is the sugar-free syrup he's going to use. I bought this at a big box store, Maple Grove Farms, sugar-free. Okay, Ray. He's going to get it ready here. He's going to put the syrup on. Do you please give me your opinion? Actually, it's pretty thick, isn't it?
Yep.
I'm surprised. This is homemade. All goodness.
Now, what kind is this again?
Okay, can I see the middle of it, please? Oh yeah, look at that, nice and cooked. This is a whole wheat, right?
It's a whole wheat.
Made with King Arthur whole wheat flour.
Okay.
And you know me, I like King Arthur.
Not bad at all.
I use for real.
Good.
Ray will tell the truth no matter what.
The syrup's not too bad.
So I was going to ask you, how was the syrup?
Of course, it's, you know.
He must be hungry because he's eating fast.
It's sugar-free, of course. It does have 2 grams of alcohol. And, you know, you got to have something to make it taste good.
Yeah, I was going to read the back of this.
You get 2 grams of alcohol.
Actually, I can just do this and you guys, whoops, see if I can get it clear. There you go.
And there
Right
again.
there.
And there again, you saw how much I put on, too. I suppose you can't put on
It says super
cup.
alcohol, 2 grams. Right. And Ray's very good in doing everything in moderation. So Ray, your honest opinion?
I like it.
Would
Very
you,
good.
Would you eat them again?
Yes, I would. I would eat more than one next time, too.
Well, I've got more. Would you like me to make more?
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Do you want blueberries on it?
No, not really. I like blueberries, but I never really like them in a pancake. I don't know why. I'm kind of
Okay.
fussy.
All right. I'm not going to have it either. But folks, I hope you try this. And again, the recipe will be down below. And we'll be doing more healthy recipes. So please come on back, grab a recipe. You never know what's going to be on my videos. Have faith, have hope, be kind. We'll see you tomorrow. And God bless.
Bye.
Bye now.